It was 1995 when we arrived to this place. A small fisherman's village with sandy streets. A world away from civilization as we knew it.
Our dream was to create a life of adventure. We started renting bicycles and snorkeling gear. Day by day, our passion and dedication birthed something big.
Terraventuras was the name, the leading company of adventure tours on the Caribbean coast of Costa Rica.
Together, we explored the jungles and we met the native people.
We formed a socially and environmentally responsible company.
We met the 5 sustainability standards and were granted the official support of Esencial Costa Rica.
We are a safe, fun, and professional company.
We work with the local people and businesses. We help to clean the beaches, educate the community on the importance of recycling, and contribute to rainforest rejuvenation in Costa Rica.
Above all, we thrive in making you feel the pure, intoxicating thrill of adventure in the jungle.